Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by establishing frame rate and aspect ratio. Pick 30 FPS for smoother slow motion or 60 FPS for fast action. Once done, import and organize clips into folders so you don't hunt later. Trim to the exact in/out points. This reduces jitter. Make sure to enable motion blur on layers and set timeline snapping to 0. 1 seconds to align frames precisely. Now place your first clip on the main track and add a simple transform keyframe to begin motion refinement. Don't overcomplicate yet. Next, focus on the core. Keyframe position, scale, and rotation with intentional spacing. You want consistent temporal spacing so motion feels deliberate rather than jumpy. Apply ease in on entries, ease out on exits, or craft a custom Bezier curve to mimic physical acceleration and deceleration. Then open the speed graph and smooth any sharp peaks. This controls velocity, not just position. Once your curves flow, preview at full speed and adjust keyframe spacing by small increments until movement feels organic and responsive. Finish by polishing. Add subtle motion blur or adjust shutter angle to hide micro jitters, and consider a duplicate layer with 20% opacity as a motion trail. Make sure color grading is consistent across cuts so perceived motion stays smooth, then export using H.264 at 10 to 15 Mbps for 1080p. If you encounter jitter, use frame interpolation or run a short stabilization pass with the point tracker. This often fixes small alignment errors. Finally, review on the target device and tweak if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.